morning students. Today we are going to do the identifications of litmus paper using acids and base. So firstly we will do the identification through this distilled water. I am using red litmus paper. See, red litmus paper doesn't turn blue, so it is not basic in nature. And now I am using the blue litmus. Now see, leave it for some time. The color will not be changed, so it means it is not acidic in nature. And now I am determining its pH value. I am using the pH paper. Now you can see it is slightly green, and according to the pH level, if it is slightly green, so its pH level is neutral, that is 7. Okay, now I am taking another sample, that is milk. Now I am using again the red litmus. If red litmus turns blue, so it means it is basic. Now see, it has no change, so it is not basic. Now I am using the blue. Now see, slightly there is some change in the litmus paper, so it is acidic in nature. Milk has some acid in it. Now I am determining the pH level. You can see it is slightly greenish tone, so its pH level is 6. You can see the pH indicator, it is showing 6. Now I am taking the lemon juice. Now I am taking again red litmus. If it changes to blue, it means it is basic. There is no change, so it is no basic. Now I am taking blue. See, it turns into pink, so it is acidic in nature. Now pH, to determine the pH value, see, it is orange in color. It changes to orange. According to the scale, you can see its pH value is 2, because it is showing 2 number. So its pH value is 2. Now I am taking vinegar. Again I am using the red litmus. There is no change, so it is not basic in nature. Again I am using blue litmus. It changes into pinks, so it is acidic in nature. For the pH level, see, it is yellowish. According to the pH, its value is 4. Okay. Now I am using the lime water. Again, now you can see it changes into blue color, so it is basic in nature. Now blue litmus, there is no change, so it is not acidic in nature. And for the pH value, see, it is purplish, so its value is according to, it is very purplish, so its value is going to be 11, between 11 and 12. Now I am taking the HCl. Let's see, for the red litmus, there is no change, so it is not basic in nature. And for the blue litmus, it changes into pink, so it is acidic in nature. And for the pH level, see, it turns to be pinkish in color. So according to the scale, its values lies between 1 and 2. Okay. Now I am taking the dilute H2SO4. Again for the red litmus, there is no change, so it is not basic in nature. For the blue, it changes into pink, so it is acidic in nature. And for the pH level, again it changes into pink, so its values lies between 1 and 2. Now I am using sodium hydroxide. Now see the red, it changes into blue, so it is basic in nature. And for the blue litmus, there is no change, so it is not acidic in nature. And for the pH level, see, it is very purplish, so its values lies between 12 to 13. So these are the some indicators through which we can determine the litmus paper and can determine which are acids and which are base. I hope so you will understand which are acid and which are base. Thank you so much for joining with me.